May 22 is observed as International Day for Biological Diversity to highlight importance of preserving biodiversity which is under severe threat. Global wildlife populations have declined by 69% since 1970, says WWF. According to WWF Living Report 2024, wildlife population fell by 95% in Latin America and Caribbean, 60% in Asia Pacific, and 35% in Europe and Central Asia. Over 1 million species face extinction due to land use change, overexploitation, and climate change. Agriculture is responsible for 90% of global deforestation, mainly from livestock, palm oil, and soybean farming. 38% of global fish stocks are being overfished, and coral reefs that support 25% of marine life are bleaching due to warming and acidification. Only $200 billion is spent annually on conservation, while $542 billion per year is needed by 2030 to reverse biodiversity loss. Under the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework, countries pledged to protect 30% of land and oceans by 2030. But as of 2024, only about 30 countries have submitted actionable plans. India hosts 4 biodiversity hotspots, but over 12% of its assessed species are threatened by habitat loss and pollution. India ranks 176 out of 180 in the 2024 Global Nature Conservation Index, reflecting major challenges in conservation efforts. To meet its biodiversity goals, India needs around $9.8 billion annually for the period 2025 to 2030, while current Environment Ministry funding stands at only $411.18 million. Despite challenges, India has seen remarkable success in conservation of some wildlife species. Tiger numbers in India have risen from 1,411 in 2006 to 3,682 in 2022, while Asiatic lions in Gujarat's Gir forest have increased from 674 in 2020 to over 900 in 2025. Indian rhinoceroses, mainly in Kaziranga, grew from 2,577 in 2006 to 4,014 in 2022. Elephant populations have also crossed 30,000.